Baya Weaver. The Baya Weaver is a weaver bird found across the Indian subcontinent and Southeast Asia. Flocks of these birds are found in grasslands, cultivated areas, scrub, and secondary growth, and they are best known for their hanging resort shaped nests woven from leaves. These nest colonies are usually found on thorny trees or palm fronds, and the nests are often built near water or hanging over water, where predators cannot reach easily. They are widespread and common within their range, but they are prone to local seasonal movements, mainly in response to rain and food availability. These are sparrow sized, and in their non breeding plumage, both males and females resemble female house sparrows. Baya weavers are social and gregarious birds. They forage in flocks for seeds, both on the plants and on the ground. Flocks fly in close formations, often performing complicated maneuvers. They are known to glean paddy and other grains in harvested fields and occasionally damage ripening crops, and are therefore sometimes considered as pests. They nest in colonies, typically of up to 20 to 30, close to the source of food, nesting material, and water. Baya weavers are best known for the elaborately woven nests constructed by the males. These pendulous nests are resort shaped with a central nesting chamber and a long vertical tube that leads to the side entrance of the chamber. The nests are woven with the long strips of paddy leaves, rough grasses, and long strips torn from palm fronds. Each strip can be between 20 and 60 centimeters in length. A male bird is known to make up to 500 trips to complete a nest. The birds use their strong beaks to strip and collect the strands, and to weave and knot them while building the nests. The nests are often built hanging over water from palm trees and often suspended from thorny acacias. Nests are often located on the eastern side of the tree, where they are believed to provide shelter from the southwest monsoon. However, late breeders are more likely to build their nests in other orientations relative to the trunks of the nest tree. The males take about 18 days to construct the complete nest, with the intermediate helmet stage taking about 8 days. Once a male and female are paired, the male goes on to complete the nest by adding the entrance tunnel. Males are almost solely in charge of nest building, though their female partners may join in giving the finishing touches, particularly on the interiors. Females prefer nests high in trees, those over dry land, and those on thin branches.